Welcome back to the Ship Show. We're coming at you once again direct from Ship Show Studio A to talk about cruising.
Studio A? Where's Studio B?
Across the street.
I got a question for you, dude.
Okay.
Have you ever ran into somebody who's never been on a cruise before, and they kind of poo-poo the whole idea because they have this preconceived notion of what cruising's all about?
Yes. In fact, I have some family members like that. You know who you are, even though I talk about cruising all the time.
Today, we're going to debunk 3 of the most common myths that we hear about cruising.
Ship Show. Number 3 is the myth that you are for sure going to get sick on your cruise. So listen, y'all. You can get sick from being just about anywhere. You're more likely to catch something from someone on a plane, church, school.
Preach, Doodles. Preach. This is so true. Our everyday lives are filled with germs. You gotta be smart. Wash them digits. Use the provided hand sanitizer. And don't go kissing some random stranger at the Alchemy bar. I mean, unless that's what you're into, but I'm not gonna stop you from having a good time. Just make sure that the person you're kissing is into it as well.
Hey, just make sure you're healthy to travel in the first place. Don't be the reason other people get sick. Come on now.
Be smart. Na 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 na. Kissing strangers. Na 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 na.
I don't know that one.
It's not doing it for you?
I don't know that one.
Till I find someone I love. Kissing strangers.
Number 2 is the myth that cruising is too expensive.
Yes.
I've got no doubt in my mind that the people who think that way have never even tried to price a cruise. In our opinion, you get the best bang for your buck in cruising.
You know, I think sometimes they just don't understand that things like all of your food is included, right?
Good point.
And try pricing that into part of your land-based vacation and see how that unfolds, you math genius.
There's value at every turn in cruising. You just got to do the research. Let's not forget the sales, though. There's constantly a sale going on. It's like in perpetuity. You never know what you're going to find, but you're always going to find a deal.
Yeah, and I mean, you can go baller if you want, but you can also go bargain basement and sail on the cheap, y'all. Word. Bang! The number 1 myth about cruising that really frazzles my frijoles is that they're too crowded. Too many people, and it's like a cattle call.
Yeah, that makes me madder than a castrated bull in a field full of heifers. I mean, let's face it, ships come in all different sizes. With everything there is to do on a ship, the people are spread out. There's plenty of room. I mean, have you ever been to an amusement park or a Popeyes when that new sandwich comes out? That's crowded.
It's nothing like that. You can cruise with several thousand people on a huge ship. Hey, and you can also cruise with a couple hundred people on a much smaller ship. There's plenty of space for everyone no matter what. It's all relative. So, in my opinion, it's the worst reason to never try cruising.
Yeah, too crowded my foot. Or anyone's foot, really. Sorry, didn't mean to get you excited there. Well, there you have it, folks. 3 myths that make our hungry hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Cajun hootenanny.
Whoo, doggy! That's hot. Yeah, there's plenty of myths about cruising. Don't fall for it. Give it a shot if you've never been on a cruise. You're probably gonna like it. Join us on the dark side.
Come to the dark side. And do us a favor, if you made it this far, hit that thumbs up button. And while you're at it, if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification icon. That way you know when the next content comes out. We'd also like to invite you to join our Facebook group, The Ship Show, and to watch our weekly live stream, The Ship Show, every Wednesday evening at 9. We appreciate you watching, folks. We'll see you next time.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night.
Thanks for watching our video today, and if you're wondering why I was wearing such a silly shirt, I'll tell you. It's a Sager Strong shirt. The Sager Strong Foundation champions leukemia research, and having lost a family member to this disease, it means a lot to me. We'll post a link in the description so that you too can help people remain Sager Strong. Now, let's watch the outtakes.
There you have it, folks.
Well, there you have it, folks. 3 myths that get our hungry hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Cajun hootenanny.
Woo, doggy! Yeah, there's tons of myths about cruising, and blah, I don't know what else I say for it. Oh.
Well, there you have it, folks. 3 myths that make our hungry hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Haitian hoot. Well, there you have it, folks. 3 myths that get our hungry hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Cajun hootenanny.
Woo, doggy! That's hot. Well, yeah, there's tons of myths about the cruising industry. Don't fall for it. Try it. You're probably gonna like it. Come to the dark side.
Come to the dark side. But hey, if you made us this far, far too cool. There you have it, folks. 3 myths that get our hungry hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Cajun hootenanny. Well, there you have it, folks. 3 myths that make our hungry hens hotter
just
than
like
the...
this.
But do us a favor. If you made it this far, do us a favor. Smash that like button for us. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification button.
You said do me a favor like 3 times.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Sorry. So there you have it, folks. 3 myths that make our hungry hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Cajun hootenanny.
Woo, doggy! I prematurely
fucked it up.
hooed.
Yeah, you did.
There you have it, folks. 3 cruise myths that make our hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Cajun hootenanny.
I think you can do better.
There you have it, folks. 3 cruise myths that make our hens hot. I can't say it.
Well, there you have it, folks. 3 myths that make our hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Cajun hootenanny.
Ooh, doggy!
So there you have it, folks. Oh, hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Cajun hootenanny.
That's hot.
Oh. Make our hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Cajun hootenanny.
Go God! Trying to do.
Make our hens hotter than the jambalaya at a Cajun hootenanny.
Oh, Dios mío.
That's good.